In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Temu app on PC. Here's the key thing to know right away. There isn't an official Temu app you can install directly on a Windows or Mac computer. Don't worry though, Temu works perfectly on a PC through your web browser, and it's the easiest, most reliable way to shop without installing anything. All you need is a modern browser, like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Go ahead and open your preferred browser on your computer. If it's been a while since you last updated it, that's fine. Most modern versions work smoothly. This approach is great because it runs on virtually any PC or laptop, whether you're using Windows, Mac OS, or even Linux. Next, in the address bar, type temu.com and press Enter. This takes you straight to Temu's official website. It's a good habit to double-check the web address so you know you're in the right place. The official site loads quickly and gives you the full shopping experience without needing a separate download or installation. Once the homepage loads, look for the Sign In or Register option, usually at the top of the page. If you already have a Temu account, you can sign in with your existing details and pick up right where you left off. If you're new to Temu, the registration process is straightforward and quick. You'll be guided through creating your account so you can start browsing and checking out deals right away. After you're signed in, you can start shopping directly from the website. Use the search bar to find specific items, or browse through the categories if you're exploring. Product pages show photos, descriptions, and reviews so you can make informed choices. When you see something you like, add it to your cart. The checkout process is designed to be clear and familiar, just like on other major shopping sites. The best part is that there's no installation required, no extra software to manage, and nothing to update. Because it runs in your browser, this method works on all PCs and keeps things simple. It also means you avoid any risky, unofficial downloads that can come with trying to find an app that doesn't exist for desktop. So to recap, open your browser, go to temu.com, sign in or register, and start shopping. It's fast, it's secure when you use the official website, and it gives you the full Temu experience on your computer without any hassle. Thanks for watching, and enjoy browsing Temu on your PC with confidence.